Hey, Ghosty once again. Yes, back here. Yep, like always. Well, it looks like a path. Some kind of path going here. Still on the whole nothing about water train thing. Oh, the tree's been cut down back through here. Yeah. Oh, this probably be. This looks like it leads into the pond over there. Yeah. Spongy sand, ground here. Yeah. Very moist and wet. Freaking pigeons. Yeah, a lot of brush. Yeah, that's what all this is called. When twigs and branches are piled up, it's called brush. Just in case those who don't know. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, kind of wet back here. I saw some move back there. Oh, that's a little bird. I think. Yeah, move when you zoom on you. I'm not going to go that way since I could easily fall in there, and I don't want to walk home and be covered in mud. I mean, I don't care if I come covered in mud and walk home, but I think that would involve me showering again and washing all my shit. Because I've already showered today, and I mean, I don't mind washing stuff because I do need to get the stuff into the wash. But yeah, yeah. That's one heck of damage, wind damage or whatever. Quite buggy indeed. Yeah. Shut up, you fucking pigeon! Do me a fucking head in. I wonder who lives down there. Who lives under that tree? Probably a fox. Or, yeah, it's most like a fox. Because it's a tad too small for a badger. Shut up, you fucking retarded pigeon. You someone over there. A fucking headache, for fuck's sake. Oh, I'll do there. Annoying bastards coming along and into making my head hard. Yeah, definitely wouldn't do or the water. Seriously, why do birds insist on fucking calling, especially pigeons? Like, what is the point of them calling? No one's gonna fucking answer. I don't get it. Fucking pigeons. Crow doesn't fucking squawk constantly. At all. Anyway, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, whatever.